Welcome to WHITEBOARD Project Management Channel. In this channel, you will learn the tools and techniques used in the project management in a practical way. Prepare your white sheets, grab your cup of coffee, hit subscribe, and let's start the session. Welcome to the new episode of WHITEBOARD Project Management. Nowadays, many companies start using the word leadership instead of project management. So as a project manager or as a project leader, it's almost the same. But why those companies had changed this name? The way of management has been improved because they need a good leader, a leader of the team. Not the project itself, but the team and the project as well. So in today's episode, we will talk about project leadership levels. As a project manager, you are going through levels of leadership until you will reach the higher level of professional, where everybody knows you and everybody like the way you deal with the project. Let's go to the whiteboard and let's do some small sketches for the project leadership levels. Project leadership levels. So we will talk about the levels today. First level we go through is the position. What is the position? The position means that the few people follow you because they have to. Means as a new project manager or as a junior project manager or a junior leadership. Now you have a project and you have a team. You are leading this team. The team don't know you, or you don't have experience with the team as well. So the first level for you is the position, means you are in the position of leadership and they have to follow you because of your position. They don't know you, or maybe they know you, but they don't know the way you are dealing with the leadership, or they don't know your references for leadership. So they are following you simply only because you are in organizational level higher on them on this project. This is the first level, which is the position. Okay, level 2. Level 2 is the permission. What is permission? The permission means that the people follow you because they want to. Means they know you. You were like maybe a part of their team. You were their colleagues, and you've been promoted for this project or for another project, and you become a leadership. Means the second level, they follow you because they have to. This is the level 1, and the second one is the permission, means they follow you because they want to follow you. They know you and they believe in you that you will be a good leader. That's why they follow you. Okay, that is the level 2. Let's go to level 3. Level 3 is the production. Production means that the people follow you because what you have done for the organization. Means you have good references for the organization. They know you now because they follow you for level 1 because they have to. You are an organizational level higher on them. Level 2, the permission, they follow you because they know you. And the level 3, they follow you because what you have done for the organization. Means you did, let's say, good projects in the past. You bring to the organization so many new projects and new clients. You present the organization in some meetings, in some presentations, and you are good in that. Everybody know you, everybody like you, and you have proved yourself for the organization. So this is level 3, where you have the permission and people follow you because your permission. Level 4. Level 4 is the people development. People development means people follow you because what you have done for them personally. Means now you prove yourself for the organization, you get the permission for level 3. You move for level 4, where people like to follow you because they have experience of previous projects and they were very satisfied for the way you deal with them. You did so many for them. Let's say you send them for some trainings, so you increased their experience and their knowledge. The knowledge, you take care of them. You like for them to work not overtime, not to be overloaded. You are a friend of them, for them, not a bossy leader. You don't forget them in the rewards. You did so many things for them, so they like the way you did for them, things which you did for them, and that's why they like you and they want you as a leader. So this is level 4 for the people development. Level 5 is the pinnacle. Pinnacle means people follow because of who you are and what you represent. This is the 5th level, which is the higher level. They follow you because what you represent. You represent a professional reference of project management and they like to follow you. So they follow you. People follow you because who you are. You are a good person. You are a person who so many people like to deal with. You are not a cheater. You are not the liar. You always tell the truth. You always support them. So they follow you because who you are and because what you represent for a project management as a professional leader. So those are simply the 5 levels of leadership. Let's go to the whiteboard again and let's just highlight this again. Project leadership levels. I will take another color. Okay. Level 1 is the position. Level 2 is the permission. Level 3 is the production. Level 4, people development. Level 5, pinnacle. Remember those levels of leadership. Be always a professional leadership and make people like the way they work with you, because without your team you cannot lead the project. Thank you for watching, and if you like, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more coming episodes on practical project management. Thank you, and I will see you in the next episode.